Hey everyone, and welcome to Spring Break Boredom Buster number 3. And today we are doing some really fun science experiments. So stay tuned, let's get started. Alright everyone, so today we've got two really fun science experiments for you guys to do at home using things that you could probably find just lying around your house. And so our first one here is called a storm cloud in a jar. Okay, so over there, that was our finished one that we did earlier. But for this one, you're gonna need some shaving cream, some kind of a clear container. It could be a mason jar like this, or if you have anything else that's clear, maybe a pitcher or something like that, you can use that as well. You're gonna fill it up with some water, and then you're also gonna need some food dye, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the shaving cream, you're gonna put it into the top of your container, however you need to do that, okay?
Pat it down a little.
And then Miss Kim's gonna pat it down here with some.
This is our cloud.
Because if you get it too thick, it might not go through the way that it's supposed to do. Now there's two ways that you guys could do this at home depending on what you guys have available. If you have a little dropper or maybe like a little medicine thing that you can scoop up the food dye in and then spray in, that's one way of doing it. Me and Miss Kim are gonna try it with a straw, poking some holes through the top of it, and then seeing if we can get our food dye through the straw to work.
Let's see. This is science in real time.
Science in real time, okay. And there it goes, it's going out now, so that worked really well. Look at it, now it's streaking down. And you know what, I'm gonna make it a little fun. So I'm gonna grab the red food dye too.
Maybe we'll just put it through there without in that hole.
And then put a few red drops in there.
Oh, cool!
And it's starting to come down, and it looks like a little storm is happening in our jar.
What a fun, colorful storm that is.
So
I love it.
this is something really fun that you guys can do, and I'm excited to see how it turns out as we go through the rest of the video. I'm probably not going to be able to focus now because I'm just going to be looking at our two jars over here.
So much fun.
But Miss Kim, we have another experiment set up over here. Tell us about what this one is.
All right, so this one is super easy as well. You probably have these things around, or maybe one of your parents do in their pantry. And so you're gonna need baking soda. This is a big bag, but you may have a little box. And you're gonna need some vinegar. So make sure you have those things. I'm sure you may in the pantry. And so what we're gonna do, we're gonna kind of have a contest. We've got an orange cup, a green cup, and a blue cup. And we're gonna see which one explodes first.
We're gonna have some food cups.
That's where Mr. Lane is all about the food dye. Like anything
I wanna see if it works.
That's fantastic. Okay, so we may have a red explosion there. So you're gonna put some baking soda in your cup. So you don't have to do 3 like we're doing. You could just do 1 or even a big bucket, but it will help to have something underneath it. And we're going to see which ones explode the fastest. Are you ready?
Okay.
Any more? Green wins. Red explosion.
Woo!
It did work.
So you can have food coloring to it too, to the baking soda.
You can have a red and blue storm and a red volcano.
Yes.
That's awesome. And yeah, you can keep going as much baking soda as you have. That is awesome.
All right, well this has been really fun, Miss Kim. We've had a ton of fun doing our science experiments today. So if you guys do them at home, make sure to leave us a comment down on the Facebook page. Send us a video of you guys doing them or some pictures of what your jars look like. We would love to interact. Ours is turning out super cool. So we're gonna keep playing with our experiments here, but we hope you guys are having a great spring break and a great day, and we'd love to hear from you soon. Have fun.
Bye. Yeah.